Hey everybody, this is Robert with Burns Travels, and we're going to be putting some snap pads on. I got a few things left to do before we get on our way in the RV, but you can see probably above me I had the slides out. So I got to put the slides back in, take this cover off, and disconnect the water, and then I'll be able to lift the jacks and we'll put the snap pads on. So let me get all that stuff done and we'll go from there. You're probably wondering, why am I wearing this hat? It's 9 o'clock in the morning, because I'm in Houston and it's humidity is like 100%. It's miserable. I never like this place because of the humidity. I don't like to stand and sweat. That's just something I don't like. I don't mind working out, sweating. I just don't like to stand and sweat. And it's 100 degrees already, and that's the degrees. Another problem, it's the humidity. I just cannot stand it. Anyways, let's show you what the snap pads came in. A box, of course. It's not a very big box, but here they are, right there. Not a very big box. There's 4 of them. That's all that's required. I think the cost I paid was $149, something like that, for the set of this rig. So we're gonna put those on. All right, the slides are in. I'm gonna show you what you're supposed to do. There's the snap pads. They want you to put a little bit of soap around the curve of the top. I'm not gonna show you the bottle. Anybody can do that. Just a little bit of soap. You can probably put it and rub your fingers around it. Just when the pads come down, they slip into it easier. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna put them underneath the RV. And while I'm doing that, Lisa will bring down the jack. I'll make sure it's lined up and it pops into space, not into pay.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Anyways, it will pop into place, not space, when it's done. So, and you'll see that. Okay, bring down the front. It's coming down. I'll let you know when to stop. Stop. Okay, go ahead.
Two very boring minutes later.
Okay, that's good. Retract. Okay, stop. I'm going to the other side. All right. You may have noticed me going in and out of the RV, underneath the RV. The reason was I didn't have enough soap. That's why I was going up and down, up and down. So I just figured I didn't put enough soap on it, and that's what the problem was. So then I went around, and right before I put it down, I put the soap on it instead of doing it before. So anyways, short video. Hope you liked it. It's simple. What they do though is they put out a better square footage in a sense of where your jacks are laying, and it's good if you're on sand or grass. If you have to park on that and it starts to rain, you'll have a better chance of lifting your jacks. But the problem with sand and rain is if sand's really dry, you could get stuck, and if it's a lot of rains, you're probably gonna get stuck because of the weight. So
Tomorrow for sure.
all right, we are back at our home base, you can say, because we are work camping and stuff like that. I might do a video on that, I don't know. But anyways, this is what my jacks I did where I'm at right now before I put the snap pads on. So here's that picture. All right, so you can see it. 2x6s, a flat piece of plastic that you can get at, where did I get it at? Camping World, and the jacks. Well, this is how it is now. So I just have a bigger space with those jack pads on that, and I don't have 2x6s being shifted and moving. It's actually flat on the sand, so that's better. It's more stability, stuff like that. You definitely noticed it when it was on concrete, and you notice it here too. So that was the difference. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and wait until the next video.